and welcome to a new video. We just arrived to Menorca and our Airbnb is so cute, so I'm going to take you guys on a tour. It's in like the quietest little neighborhood and I'm just so excited. We get a private pool and everything. So I'm going to show you guys and then we'll get started on this relaxing trip. Okay, so this is the entrance to the Airbnb. It's so cute. Has a little courtyard. And then this is ours right here. Got a cute little kitchen, Lucy, cute little Lucy. The chair is a TV, a cute like blue bathroom. And then we got our bed, so cute. And then the best part is the backyard. It's got a cactus and a whole pool. So we're gonna be at the beach and in the pool all the time. I'm so excited. We walked around the city. We really wanted to go get groceries and like do a vodka pasta night. But all the supermarkets are closed. Pretty much everything is because this city is very much a resort town. So we found 3 restaurants that are open. So we're gonna go there tonight to one of them. And then tomorrow I think we're gonna go to the main town. Like it's like 10 minutes away. And so we'll go there tomorrow and get groceries and things so we can make sandwiches and cook. Because tomorrow I think we wanna cook and then like go in the pool outside, which will be so fun. So we're gonna go get dinner now and then probably have a little movie night or something. So I'll bring you guys along. Got our groceries and it's ready. Our pastries are about to get soaked. Look at her go. We're trying to have an outdoor breakfast. So she's trying to see if the umbrella will work. This morning we went in the pool. It was very cold, but we went in it for probably like 30 minutes. Then we went and got lunch at a restaurant over here and got omelets. And we walked along the coastline and just like did like a 3-mile walk, which is nice. And then now we've been watching The Ultimatum and we're about to make dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got a Caesar salad to the side, and then mushrooms, potatoes, chicken, and our Airbnb has spices, so we're gonna cook that up and then just hang out here for the rest of the day because it's been raining. But tomorrow we're gonna do like a long like 5-mile walk one way and then 5 miles back and go to different beaches and stuff. So I'm super excited. It's been so relaxing and something that I definitely needed because this semester's been crazy with traveling. So let's get cooking. This morning for breakfast and now we're really just gonna keep walking until we don't want to walk anymore. We're gonna try and like visit a few beaches, so we're just on this little trail, gonna walk along the coast. And yeah, I'm excited to see all the blue water. It's so pretty out. Wait, you can really see Majorca. Okay, wait 1 second. There it is. like 5 miles, but now we're at a Big Eats. So we're gonna have lunch here. We got salads, if you can even hear me. And then I'm not getting in because it's really, really cold, but it's so blue and so pretty. So we'll probably just tan here for a little bit and then walk the 5 miles back. We made it. Okay, good morning. It is Saturday, April 23rd. It is Lucy's 21st birthday. So I woke up and tried to like sneak outside while she was sleeping and just went to the grocery store and got stuff to make more eggs. I got this like different like bakery item stuff because they didn't have stuff for pancakes and she likes those. And then I got fruit. So I'm gonna make a little board and hopefully she's still in bed so that way she wakes up surprised. But today is all about Lucy. I'm gonna celebrate her 21st. I think we're gonna get sangria later. We have to, we're in Spain, and just do a bunch of stuff in the big city. So I'm excited. Sangria because she's 21. I'm not. And then we ordered garlic bread, but we thought we ordered it for one and we got 2 servings and we're getting paella. So we're gonna have a lot, but that's what you do on your 21st. So yay. Lucy's already on a plane headed to Italy. I'm at the airport waiting to go to Nice. We love Menorca. It was super chill and just very relaxing and pretty. I'd love to come back when it's like prime tourist season and I can rent a car and drive around, but we had so much fun and now I'm heading to Nice for a solo trip. So I will see you guys next week. I hope you guys liked this week's video and have a good rest of the week. Bye.